Welcome to our channel. Downloading your TD Ameritrade account statements is important for record keeping and tax preparation purposes. Step 1. Log into your TD Ameritrade account through their website using your username and password credentials. Step 2. Navigate to the My Account section in the top navigation menu to access your account management options. Step 3. Select Statements from the drop-down menu or sidebar to view all available account statements and documents. Step 4. Choose the type of statement you need, such as monthly account statements, trade confirmations, or tax documents. Step 5. Select the time period or specific statement date you want to download from the available options. Step 6. Click the Download or View button to open the PDF version of your statement in a new window or tab. Step 7. Save the PDF file to your computer or device in a secure location where you keep financial records. Step 8. Verify the downloaded statement contains all the information you need and repeat the process for additional statements if necessary. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.